Hi. So for this problem, we have a given array and we have to print the next greater element for every element. So this is the given array. So for example, in this problem we have to do for the first element, which is 4, what is the next greater element? It's 5. Then we go to 5. So what is the next greater element? It's 25. Then for 2, what is the next greater element? It's 25. And for 25, there's nothing, so we'll print -1. To solve this problem, we'll use a stack. So in stack, what are we gonna do? So let's create a stack first. We'll create a stack. We'll push the first element, which is 4. Now we'll see if the next element of this element is greater. So first of all, if the next element is smaller, we'll keep pushing to the stack. And if the next element is greater, then we'll pop the current element. For example, so the next element is 5. 5 is greater than 4. So we'll pop 4. So for 4, the next greater element is 5. So we'll pop this one. This will be removed from stack and we'll have 5 here. 5 here. Now we'll go next. So we'll check 2. So 2 is less than 5. So we'll push 2 in the stack. Now next is 25. 25 is greater than 2. So we'll pop 2. So for 2, the next greater element is 25. 2 is popped. Now check for 5. Compare 5 with 25. So 5 is also smaller than 25. So for 5, next greater element is 25. So stack is empty. So now our element is 25. These are done. So only 25 is left. So whatever is left in the stack. So next will be -1. So this is how it's done. So to write the code, so this is how we are going to write this code. So public static void will print the next greater element. So we'll take array and its length. Now we'll initialize. First of all, we take in I equal to 0, and then we create a stack. So stack is equal to new stack. We'll also create an int for element and next. Now first of all, the stack is empty, so we'll push the first element. So as dot push array of 0. The first element is pushed. Now we'll run the loop. So for int, we don't need to write initializing because we have already initialized, right? So I equal to 1, start with 1, less than n, and I plus plus. So next will be array of I. Now we'll check if s dot count is not equal to 0. Then we'll pop that element. So as done pop. Now while element is less than next, if element is less, then we'll print dot right line element plus next. Now we'll check if s dot count is 0. Then we'll break from the loop. Now element will pop the element. Next, now it will check if element is greater than next. Then we'll keep pushing the element in the stack. And then as that push, next. Now while dot count is not equal to 0, if it's not, then we'll pop the element. Next equal to -1, like when no other element is left and if we still have, so the next element is -1, so now we'll print it. Next, we'll do next, and then it's done.